Mercury by Felisa Valencia. Okay, you guys, so Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. In terms of rotation, it speeds around the sun every 88 days, traveling at nearly 29 miles per second, faster than any other planet. Cool fact, it spins nearly upright and does not experience seasons as other planets do. And there's Mercury. Three characteristics about Mercury's surface is that it looks like Earth's moon with impact craters from meteoroids and comets. It has smooth terrains, but also cliffs that go up to a mile high. They rose as the planet's interior cooled and contracted over billions of years. Temperature is extreme and can go up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit in a day. It also has no atmosphere to retain heat, so it can drop to negative 290 degrees at night. So here's your visual comparison of Mercury to Earth. If you could get a visual, that would be more like Earth being a quarter and Mercury would be the size of a blueberry. Now, it is the smallest planet, but extreme. There's not potential for life. The temps and solar radiation are too extreme for organisms to adapt to. And it's named after, its craters are named after artists. We should most definitely invest or continue investing into Mercury and studying Mercury, because I feel like I would like to know how it's able to sustain itself and stay intact being so close to the sun. Should ever one day something knock out, or not just something, but an asteroid or a meteor knock out Mercury, that means that we would be that much closer to the sun, which would leave us vulnerable to a different level of heat. And to know how to sustain that heat should anything happen, instead of waiting for something catastrophic like that to happen, because of the gravitation of the sun, that means that we would eventually get closer to the sun. So I would definitely like to study that prior to something crazy like that happening, and seeing how it's able to stay intact. And not to mention that how can it sustain having ice at the bottom, the cold traps at the bottom of the craters? That is, to me, insane, because it's like putting ice over the stove and it's still being able to sustain. So I would like to know how that is also possible. And the fact that it's a host of sodium, calcium, and magnesium and iron, that's another big thing for me, because us having to extract them ethically without damaging the planet can sometimes be a situation for us here on Earth. So we could find another way to extract those kinds of things, those resources, if you will, without causing more harm to the planet. That would be awesome.